evening. My name is Mr. Alois Omondi, and I will be taking you through today's lesson. Our topic of the day will be on food and beverage equipment. I will begin by going through the objectives, our lesson objectives of the day, and our objectives are as follows. 1. We are going to classify food and beverage equipment. 2. We are going to outline factors to consider before purchasing food and beverage equipment. And 3, we shall explain the use, care, and maintenance of equipment. So how are food and beverage equipment classified? Food and beverage equipment can be classified broadly as kitchen and food service equipment. The kitchen equipment are those that are commonly used in the kitchen, and they can be further subdivided as follows. 1. Small equipment and utensils, which include but are not limited to pots, pans, bowls, saucepans, knives, strainers, whisks, trays, measuring equipment, and miscellaneous items. The second subdivision of kitchen equipment include the large kitchen equipment. And by saying large, it means these equipment are large in size. And they include, but again not limited to, refrigerators, cookers, deep fat fryers, bread pans, microwave oven, boiling pans, bains marie, grills and salamanders, and griddles. The third subdivision of kitchen equipment are mechanical equipment, and these include equipment which are driven by power. They include, but are not limited to, blenders, mixers, food slicers, mincers, potato peelers, pastry rollers, food processors, chippers, juicers, electric mashers, and dishwashers. Food service equipment, on the other hand, can be classified as follows. 1. Still room equipment, hot plate equipment, wash-up equipment, bar equipment, crockery, cutlery, furniture, and other specialized equipment. Still room equipment. So before we identify or mention the equipment that are used in a still room, I will begin by describing what a still room is. A still room is a room in a restaurant that is used for preparing items that are not provided for in the hot kitchen. So equipment that are commonly found in a still room include refrigerators for storage of milk, cream butter, and fruit juices, hot and cold beverage making facilities, large double sink and drawing board for washing purposes, dishwasher of a size suitable for the still room but large enough to ensure sufficient turnover of equipment, salamander or toasters, and sandwich toasters. Other items still found in a still room include bread slicing machines, worktop and cutting boards, storage space for small equipment such as crockery, glassware, and cutlery in tableware, storage cupboard for all dry goods held in stock, and for paper items like doilies and napkins, coffee grinding machines, and last but not least, ice makers. The hot plate equipment include the following: soup plates, fish plates, joint plates, sweet plates, consomme cups, platters, soup cups, while the wash-up equipment include dishwashing machines. Let us now sample some of the equipment that are used in the bar, and hence the name bar equipment. So these include cocktail shakers, Boston shakers, mixing glass, strainers, bar spoons, bar liquidizer, blenders, drink mixers, assorted glasses, ice buckets and stands, wine baskets, water jugs, cutting boards and knives, coasters, cork extractors, ice pick, amongst other bar equipment listed. Finally, some of the furniture that are used in a restaurant include chairs, tables, and sideboards, amongst other pieces of furniture. That will mark the end of our lesson today. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a good day.